Have you forgotten your Microsoft password? Don't worry. Let's walk through the steps to reset it seamlessly. First, go to the Microsoft account login page. Click on Forgot Password right below the password field. Next, provide your email address associated with your Microsoft account and click Next. Microsoft will send a security code to your email. Check your inbox and enter the code on the website. Now, reset your password. Choose something strong and memorable. Then, click Next again. Finally, congratulations! You've successfully reset your password. Log in and enjoy your Microsoft account. Remember, keeping your password secure is essential for your digital safety. Use this guide whenever needed. For more tips on managing your Microsoft account, be sure to check our other videos and guides. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Stay safe online and keep your account secure. Until next time.